Dr. Sam Muslin, Facelift Dentistry, and the Grumpy Old Man Face. I have a personal investment in this. This is one of my very best friends, and I want to thank him sincerely for letting me show this picture, because basically he's very typical of about a 60-year-old person that has worn down their teeth and they have the grumpy old man face. They don't necessarily feel grumpy, they just look grumpy. Why do they look grumpy? Their lower teeth are too worn down, they're yellow, and when he smiles you can't even get him to show upper teeth. Older people quit showing upper teeth, they mainly only show lower teeth. Younger people show upper teeth. Younger people have longer faces. I was able to transform this face with Facelift Dentistry, greatly improve his health, and now he looks like he feels. He feels good, he looks good, and Facelift Dentistry has transformed his face.